Module 4, Additional Troubleshooting. Language issues. If you are tapping using a language that is not your mother tongue or first language, it is possible that you may find you have some blockages to clearing old memories and old beliefs completely. The solution is very simple. If you are stuck, use your first language as you tap. This is especially important when working with memories, especially if those memories happened in the original language. When you use that language for tapping on those memories, the younger being inside of you will understand it. The results will be much better. Basic physical needs. Even though it seems obvious, it is actually quite important to tapping. Are you hydrated and are you fed? It sounds simple, but with tapping, it's quite important to stay hydrated. If you are dehydrated, your energy system is not going to flow as well, and it can really hinder your results. So if you don't drink enough water, get in the habit of drinking a glass of water before and after tapping. And also, if you're really hungry, eat a little something before you start tapping. I've had clients come in actually just starving, and it's really hard to focus on emotional issues when you're in a state of hunger. You'd think it was common sense, but be sure to eat and drink something before you tap. You don't need to be stuffed, just make sure you have something in your system when you are tapping. You'll get better results.